Good morning children. Once again, welcome back to the online English classes of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am your Vichita Miss. I hope all of you are safe and healthy at your home. My dear children, yesterday or last class we have discussed lesson 1, Tarun's new bag. Do you remember that? Yes. Did you read that lesson? Till the portion we have taken? Yes, that's also very good. So my dear children, today we will discuss the next part of the story. Before that, let us review the topic. Tarun is going to his school. It was his first day to his school. His mother has given him a new bag. What was the color of the bag? Yes, green and blue. His mother also put some snacks in his bag. What are they? Yes, an orange and some biscuits. And after saying goodbye to his mother, Tarun went to his school. Now he is in his classroom. His teacher came. What is the name of his teacher? Miss Menon. Till this we have taken in our last class. Now let us read the story. Now all of you take page number 2. We will read the next part of the story. Look at your textbook. In school, Tarun listens and reads stories. He writes in his notebook. In the break, he eats the orange and the biscuits. After some time, the school bell rings. Clang, clang. It is time to go home. So, in school, now he is in his classroom. In classroom, what will you do? Will you just play? No, we have to listen to our teachers, read the lesson, write in your notebook, etc. Likewise, Tarun also listens and reads stories. Not only that, he also writes in his notebooks. After that, in the break, what's the meaning of in the break? Yes, it is interval time. What do you do during the interval time? Yes, we will eat our snacks or breakfast, isn't it? Yes, also we can play during that time. Here, in the break time or interval time, Tarun eats the orange and the biscuits. After some time, what happens? After all this, after some time, the school bell ring. How? Clang, clang. So what is it? It is the time to go home. The school dispersed. Now it is the time to go home. At that time, oh no, I can't see my bag, says Tarun. Is it on your table? Asked Miss Menon. No, it isn't, says Tarun. Tarun starts to cry. So what happened? Now it is time to go home. At that time, Tarun searched his bag. He is looking for his bag. But he can't see the bag. Oh no, I can't see my bag. What is can't? C-A-N-T. It is the short form of cannot. Cannot, can't. So teacher is saying, is it on your table? Tarun, please look on your table. It may be there. Now Tarun says, no, it isn't, says Tarun. No ma'am, it is not there. Isn't means is not. The bag is not there. Now Tarun begins to cry. Then teacher asks, is your bag new? Yes, it is, says Tarun. So Miss Menon asked, Tarun, is your bag new? It is a new bag. Yes, ma'am. Is it blue and green? Yes. Teacher also asked, is the color of your bag is green and blue? Tarun says, yes. I can see it, says Miss Menon. So Miss Menon says that, yes, I can see your bag. So ask Tarun, where ma'am? Where is my bag? So Miss Manan says, it is on your back. It's on your back. So, Miss Manan says that bag is on Tarun's back itself. Oh, thank you, Miss Manan, says Tarun. He smiles. So, what happened? Actually, Tarun's bag was on his backside itself and he was searching for the bag on all other places. Yes, is it very interesting? Yes, is it humorous? Yes. So what happened, children? When at school, Tarun listens to the stories, reads the stories and writes in his notebook. During the interval time, he ate his snacks. What are they? Orange and biscuits. And after that, it is the time to go home. At that time, he searched his bag, but it was not there. He was very sad and he began to cry. At that time, Miss Manan asked, his bag is new and its color is green and blue. So, Tarun says that, yes. At last, Miss Manan says that your bag is on your back itself. Isn't it? Yeah. At last, our Tarun was very happy. He says thank you to his miss. Okay, this is the story. All of you take page number 1. There you can see a box in which a question, who says these words? First one, this is your new bag. You can take it to school. This is your new bag. You can take it to school. Who says these words? Dear children, do you remember? Who says these words? Yes, it is Tarun's mother. Mother says these words. Right there, mother. Second question. I like the bag. It is blue and green. I like the bag. It is blue and green. Who says these words? Who says these words? Yes, it is Tarun. Right there, Tarun. T-A-R-U-N. Tarun. Now take page number 2. There you can see a box and two questions are there. Complete these sentences. Third question. Miss Manan asked Tarun if his bag is dash. What's the answer? Yes, if his bag is new. N-E-W. Write the answer there. Fourth question. Tarun finds his bag dash. Where does Tarun find his bag? Yes, on his back. O-N-H-I-S-B-A-C-K. On his back. Fourth question. Tarun finds his bag on his back. Write the answer. So my dear children, you have to read your textbook very well and learn the new words and difficult words. You not only simply learning, you have to practice writing in your rough book. Okay. So we will meet on your next class. Till then, take care. Thank you.